I need to cut my lime. And I'm going to cut it and not cut my hand this time because that really hurts. Don't cut your hand when you're making drinks. It's the first rule of bartending. Some people don't follow that rule. Their drinks are better because they're making them through pain because that's how much they love making drinks. We start with the gin. You make it Don Draper style, and you just pour it until you decide you're ready. That looks about right. That's how much I want to drink right now. Then you add the raspberries. They come from a farm somewhere. Someone picked them. Probably a machine. Maybe a human. I don't know. I don't ask questions. I just eat my raspberries. They're good for you. I think they're made with antioxidants. Okay. Raspberries. Now we're going to add the juices of the goodness of the lemons. Normally lemons make your face go. But this lemon will make your face go. You know why? Because it's in the drink. It's not just by itself. Then you're going to have the lime juice. You just squeeze it. And all the little juices pop open. And it's delicious. Then you get the knife again. And you don't stab yourself this time because it will hurt. Because some people do stupid things and they stab themselves.
Like, cut a lime like that. What are you doing?
Making you a drink!
Oh my god.
It's a beautiful drink. Just shut up. It's gonna be awesome. How else would you do this? I don't even know. You do it with your fingers. So that you're not like the alcoholic bartender. So earlier, I don't know what the hell we're listening to either. I don't like it. Earlier, we discussed not being an alcoholic bartender and not doing this with your fingers. Because if an alcoholic bartender did this with their fingers to my drink, I would not drink it. But I can do this because I'm drinking this drink. If you're not, you are. So I'm just going to pull out some pulp because you love shit in your drink.
Oh god.
So much shit. Okay. I think that works. Now I'm gonna muddle it.
Oh,
with
this
a
sugar
spoon.
too.
I'll get there.
Okay.
I made this drink. Now we're gonna smash it all up in a spoon because we don't have a muddler. Look, see, it's so fresh. The seeds are still in it. But you can do a piece of gin fruit, which I think exists in the Cayman Islands.
What?
Yes.
Gin fruit?
Yes, the
Do you know where gin comes from?
fruit.
Juniper berries that birds eat and then shit out.
And that's why we drink it. Nectar of the bird god. Okay, gin fruit. Now, I made something. Pop it in there. Oh, now you have the bitters. See, bitters, you would be like, what? I don't want to drink that. It's bitter. But what? It's so good. This is grapefruit bitters. It just adds a splash of happiness to that. Then you make it bubble. Wait, no, first you gotta do this. Twice, because that makes your heart happy. Then you make it bubble. Once. Now watch. Your mind is going to be blown. Then you make it bubble again. Did you see the bubbles?
Yes.
It looks like vomit, but it's okay. Then you do this number. You catch them. And then you plop them. And then you throw the rest of the thing with Ben's Flair. Now you stir it up. We're not done yet. It's still bubbling. working its magic. Then you get a wine glass because you don't have enough dirty ones already. And there's like 70 in there, so what's another one? And then you pour it over the sink because you're responsible. And then you go, I've got a little bit left, but I'm not going to drink it yet. That's my refresher. And you give it to your friend, your best friend, to drink it all. And cheers. Wait, you have to cheers.
Oh.